Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Technosensei and this is my first video. Here I will make your internet surfing more fun. In this video, I am going to guide you how to download Instagram Reel with audio. Downloading Instagram Reel with audio is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Instagram on your device. Once you are on the main page, click on this icon where you can see all the reels. And if you have a specific reel that you want to download, search for the reel by going on search right here. Find the reel you want to download, explore the reel. Here I am choosing this reel. Click on the share icon, copy the link of the reel you want. Once the reel is copied, go to your browser and type in Instagram video downloader and tap on Snap Insta. And paste the link that you copied. Tap on download. Then again tap on download video. Wait for it to be downloaded. And it's done. Now you can go to the gallery or photos and see video is downloaded with the sound. Thank you so much for watching my first video. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyed the content. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.